In this video, I'm going to compare Ria, Payoneer, and Remitly to help you decide which money transfer service is better. Ria is known for fast cash pickups and low fees for sending to certain countries, especially in Latin America and Asia. It's great for in-person cash pickups. Payoneer, on the other hand, is ideal for freelancers and businesses. It supports global payments, offers virtual accounts in different currencies, and allows you to withdraw funds to your local bank. Remitly focuses on personal transfers with options for both economy and express delivery, often providing promotional rates for first-time users. Each has its strengths: Ria for quick personal transfers, Payoneer for business payments, and Remitly for flexible delivery and speed. The best choice depends on your specific needs: personal versus business, speed versus cost, and destination country. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.